Solutions for retail. PowerSync Pro provisioning.
Let's dive in a little bit more into what the PowerSync Pro Smart Hub can do. In essence, this is a product that is designed to charge, store, and provision iOS-specific devices.
What is provisioning?
The preparation of these mobile devices for a specific workflow determined by the end user. Once the provisioning is done, the handoff can happen to the operator of the device to do their daily activities.
Where is this solution most often used?
The ideal scenario or the setting for a deployment of this product would be around 250 plus users. Those environments where it's mission critical to have a available device, something that the employees are going to have be reliant on.
How can I easily manage my workflow with complex software and a large fleet?
When we talk about charging and storing devices, provisioning, it takes it to the next step. It can also help by reducing the amount of Tier 1 IT tickets that the customers could experience. And it does it by means of allowing the operators of being able to take a device that maybe has crashed and is no longer operational, to be able to go back to the Smart Hub, simply plug it in, and let the smarts of the device take it from there. The way that it operates is by means of a Mac Mini that will reside inside of the Smart Hub. The Mac Mini will have all the prompts and all the programs and all the information needed in order to revert that device back to the last known state.
Retail.
New workflows such as buy online, pick up in store, or curbside pickup, mobile POS, inventory control, assistant, sales assistants, or those kind of environments, really came to light, and having access to devices like this, really made their day-to-day operations much easier, much faster, much more efficient.
Does this replace my MDM?
We are not designed in any way to replace any MDMs that you may already have in place. If anything, we are designed to work in conjunction with it. The MDMs will bring the data or the updates and everything else from the cloud. Everything will go into the Mac Mini, again, that resides inside of the Smart Hub. And then by means of the cables, that information will get pushed to the individual devices. This hub is very intuitive. It's going to allow for the interaction with the user to be very seamless. And it uses LEDs to determine or to give a cue to the operator on which devices are ready to be used, or which ones are still in the process of provisioning or updating or charging, depending on the different colors that the LEDs are showing.
How do you work with Apple?
One of the great features that our product has, and this is something that we attribute to the strong relationship that we have with Apple, ongoing for 25 plus years, is that we get down to the iOS level and we're able to offer a full rate of charge, even while the device is provisioning.
Why PowerSync Pro?
Ultimately, having the PowerSync Pro Smart Hub, whether it's in a form factor like this, or maybe something smaller like this, even in a mobile cart design, depending on what the customer is looking for, depending on what the environment looks like, their space constrictions, we have a product that can certainly help. Keep Bretford's PowerSync Pro solution in mind. For more information, feel free to reach out to your local Bretford rep or visit us at Bretford.com.
Find yours today by visiting Bretford.com.